unboxing camcorder. You guys, I will show you. This is the camcorder. Inside here is the camcorder. Okay, here. Okay, this is the camcorder. This is the okay, I'll open it. See? One, how to, but I don't have, I not yet have SD card. Okay. Okay. This is the lens. See, I will show you. This is the lens. Okay. And okay, this is the remote. This is the manual of the microphone. This is the microphone. This is the microphone. Okay, put it here. Here. Okay, here you can see it. Okay, put it here. You can see like this. And this one to open. This one to open. You can put it here, but I don't know how to put it first because I just unboxed this one. I'm learning about this one. Okay, like that. And this is the wireless to connect, I think to connect on the computer or the laptop. This is the charger. This is the manual. Okay, is a see the video camcorder. I'm going to learn first this one because I don't know yet. So this one also, I don't know how to put it. So this is all. Okay, here. This is the, see, I can put here the camera, the camcorder. Okay, I will show you guys. You can see. Okay. This is the handle. Okay, this is the lens. Like that. Can use for vlogging, guys. Can use for vlogging. Like that. I'm going to learn about this one because I don't know yet. I just bought online. Okay. This is the camera. Supposed to be, it will put it here like this. Like this, like this. See? Like this. Then vlogging like that. See? It will be like this. Okay, I can use it for vlogging or take a photo. Okay, that's for now. Ito muna ang vlog ko today for guys. I will going to learn about this one because I don't know yet. Okay, I will read. I'm going to read this one inside the manual. Okay, that's my vlog for today and thank you for watching, guys. See you again on my next vlog, and this is Shanez vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, guys. See you again. If you like, then press the like. Then you can comment down below, and don't forget to press the bell button so that you will be updated on my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, guys, I'll show you. Okay, this is the manual. Okay. Okay. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.